Here we have a couple of Hiroshimas that came in today. We have a PS5. We already have the board out. We have an Xbox Series X right here, and we have a Nintendo Switch board that I have on my bench here. All of them must be done today, but we're gonna choose one of them to do on video, and I think I'm gonna start working on the PS5. Let me show you what's going on. That's Hiroshima number 1. Whoever worked on this attempted to replace the HDMI connector, and that's what we have. That's what we currently have. We do see this capacitor, this one here. It should go right over here. I do not see any other missing components, and if we flip the board, we also see that we still have those components here, and that's good. I do not know if there's anything else wrong with the board, but customer mailed this over so we can properly replace his HDMI connector. And then we have the Xbox, and I think I'm gonna leave this one until last because this one is a nightmare. Look at how many missing pads we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 missing pads. Wow. We're gonna work on this, but it's not gonna be cheap. So the customer will be paying for all that mess, as well as the PS5 guy, as well as this Nintendo Switch USB-C connector replacement. Same issue. We have how many missing pads? 6. This pad is the same as this, so we can run one wire to connect both, but we're gonna have to restore the rest of the pads here. And we have a missing component here, the fuse, and then we have a missing component possibly here. I cannot recall if we have one here or not. So we have a mess here. We have a mess. I do not know if there's anything else wrong with the board. If we flip it, Hiroshima. Battle zone. All right, let's put this on the side and work on the PS5 because this one is expedited. Customer is paying for expedited service. So let's start with this one. I mean, that Flux is a mess. That Flux is a mess. You'll come to appreciate Amtech Flux after you use other Flux. We're gonna replace the cab because it does not look good. And just like that. And now we're gonna desolder the connector and solder a new one. And the connector is out. That diode on top is just aching to go to the 9th dimension. Not today. Let's flip the board and see what's going on here. Very nice. We have all the pads. And we soldered the new capacitor, as you can see. And now we're going to pre-apply solder onto the pads, and we're going to reflow the HDMI connector down in place for a better than factory results. And we're going to apply Flux and reflow the connector. Alright, we should be good. Let's wait until solder hardens. And now we can check. Solid, 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 and I'm putting a good amount of pressure on the pin. Solid, 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 solid. Everything is perfect, and not even a single pin is loose. Very nice. This one and the last one. Beautiful, beautiful. And now we're gonna do the back. And just a minute. Okay, I just went off to talk to a customer. He wanted to talk to me. I started to solder the back legs, and I did not realize I was not recording, but not a big deal. Back legs right here. Like factory. So I'm gonna give this to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and I'll be back to finish the video. Nice. Dropped my keyboard. And I have the PS5 here. Plugged in. HDMI cable, and we're gonna power it on. Right, so the console is on, and I'm not so sure you can see the screen. Ta-da! Working. Big Boss already tried this before I brought it here, but I just wanted to show you that the console is working. And this one is expedited. It arrived today, and we fixed it today. We're gonna invoice and mail this back to the customer. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.